Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob SCHRUPP, physical therapist.
Brad HEINECK, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
This video today was put together by Mike and Alex of the Bob and Brad crew. Both are physical therapist assistants and both have been providing treatments to our patients for years. They do
Fantastic work.
fantastic work.
We're very happy with all the work with their patients. We have reviewed and approved all of their material that they're bringing up. So they're showing you our treatment through them with their experience, and it's been
Exactly.
a wonderful.
So make sure you subscribe to the Bob and Brad crew channel, in which they do reviews of products that keep you healthy, fit, and pain-free. They handle all of our new products now. Enjoy the video.
Good luck.
Welcome, folks, to the Total Knee Replacement Fitness Program. I'm Alex, physical therapist assistant,
I'm Mike, physical therapist assistant.
and we have been PTAs under Bob and Brad for nearly 20 years combined.
Combined is the key word.
Combined
there.
is the key
We're
word.
not that old.
Mike will go over the goal of the program here.
The goal of these programs, it's a resource for someone who is undergoing a knee replacement. It is a phase-by-phase exercise demo from before surgery to after surgery and how to return to your everyday activities.
Yep, but warning, all patients progress differently. This is a general guideline. Sometimes your surgeon has a specific protocol. Follow that protocol first before listening to us. They top us.
Please comment, share, and subscribe, as well as we'll be doing additional rehabilitation program videos in the future. And watch any video you want in this program pertaining what's important to you.
Yes, stay tuned. Thanks.